Today's Saturday, February the 27th. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if you can hear that sound over the lawnmowers in the background, but it sounds extraterrestrial. And I have no idea what it is. Been hearing it for the past couple hours. First I thought it was like an air compressor or something off in the distance, but it's coming from that direction, which is, there's houses eventually through those woods, but what is that? It's the strangest sounds. Woo! It's like just a, I don't know, I can't even make the sounds, like a UFO.